आप सभी को टीम आईएएस प्लेटफॉर्म पे नमस्कार। उम्मीद करते हैं कि 70th बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स का एग्जाम जो कि आज 12 बजे से लेकर 2 बजे तक के बीच में हुआ, आपका बेहतरीन गया होगा। अगर क्वेश्चंस के नेचर को आप देखें तो थोड़ा बदलाव था कंपेयर टू द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ 68th एंड 69th। यह ऐसा पेपर था जो थोड़ा फैक्चुअल था, बट एट द सेम टाइम प्लीज ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड दैट क्वेश्चंस वर नॉट दैट इजी एज इट सीम्स टू बी। बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि बहुत ही ट्रिकी हैं एंड देयरफॉर क्वेश्चंस का नेचर इसीलिए थोड़ा टफ भी होता है। ओवरऑल अगर आप क्वेश्चन का एनालिसिस कीजिए तो इट कैन बी क्लब्ड अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ मॉडरेट टू टफ। कोई भी स्टूडेंट जब एग्जाम देके आता है तो उसे ऑथेंटिक आंसर की आवश्यकता होती है ताकि वह यह जान सके कि वह कहाँ पर एक्चुअली स्टैंड करता है और उसका परफॉर्मेंस कैसा रहा था। आइए हम लोग इस वीडियो में जो आंसर की है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं। वीडियो के मेन कंटेंट को शुरू करने से पहले वन जेंटल रिमाइंडर, अगर आपको हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल अच्छा लगता है तो कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, अपने दोस्तों के बीच में हमारे वीडियोस को अवश्य शेयर करें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मेन कंटेंट ऑफ द वीडियो। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यह जो आंसर की हम लोग ले रहे हैं तो यह क्वेश्चन पेपर, यह बुकलेट सीरीज जी है। आप इसको ध्यान में रखिएगा, यह क्वेश्चन पेपर का बुकलेट सीरीज जी है। इस क्वेश्चन पेपर की खासियत यह है कि यह इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में दिया हुआ है, तो आप अपने हिसाब से अपने आंसर को मिलाएंगे। वी स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी सक्सेसफुली एक्सप्लेन्ड। इसका क्या उत्तर होगा? तो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा सी। इस वीडियो में सिर्फ आपको आंसर्स दिए जा रहे हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन इन डिटेल जो है वह अगले वीडियो में टीम आईएएस के द्वारा आएगा। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का सही उत्तर हो जाएगा सी। हम लोग आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ टेक्नोपोलिस? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का सही उत्तर हो जाएगा सिलिकॉन वैली, ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे आते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एसिड इज सीक्रेटेड इन द स्टमक? इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, दैट इज डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पे आते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रूल्ड आसाम इन द टाइम ऑफ हर्षवर्धन? सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का बी, दैट इज भास्कर वर्मन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे आते हैं। व्हेन वाज द अंडरसी केबल यूज्ड? चेन्नई अंडमान निकोबार प्रोजेक्ट इनागुरेटेड एंड डेडिकेटेड टू द नेशन बाय द ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे आते हैं। द मीटर दैट इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द डिस्टेंस मूव्ड बाय द व्हीकल इज नोन एज, व्हाट इट इज नोन एज? तो इसका ओडोमीटर होगा, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। हम लोग अगले क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 पे आते हैं। Which amendment to the constitution abolished the 2 seats that were reserved for the Anglo-Indian community? तो इसका जो सही उत्तर हो जाएगा दैट इज डी, दैट इज 104th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पे आते हैं हम लोग। व्हाट शुड कम इन प्लेस इन क्वेश्चन मार्क इन द फॉलोइंग? आपको बताना है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 का सही उत्तर हो जाएगा 22, यानी कि ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे आते हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोर्ट्स इज एन आर्टिफिशियल पोर्ट? तो इसका डी, दैट इज चेन्नई इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पे आते हैं। इन अप्रैल 2024 हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स ऑफ द यूएन सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल ईदर रिजेक्टेड और abstained फ्रॉम वोटिंग फॉर द प्रपोजल टू अलाउ पैलेस्टाइन टू बिकम अ फुल मेंबर ऑफ द यूएन? इसका करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज 3 इज देयर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 पे आते हैं। इन द यूनियन बजट स्पीच फॉर 2024-25 which oil seeds were not paid as not being covered under the goal of आत्मनिर्भर भारत सेल्फ रिलायंस फॉर ऑयल? सो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा दैट इज बी हो जाएगा, दैट इज आपको कोकोनट हो जाएगा। हियर इट इज, इट टॉक्स अबाउट सेल्फ रिलायंस, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पे आते हैं। शेख अहमद अब्दुल्ला अल अहमद अल सबाह वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू पीएम ऑफ विच कंट्री इन अप्रैल 2024? क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 का कुवैत, दैट इज डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 पे हम लोग आते हैं और जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है यह मैच द फॉलोइंग बोल रहा है, दैट इज अष्ट प्रधान ऑफ मराठा रूलर्स एंड यू हैव टू मैच द फॉलोइंग। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 जो है इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा ए, दैट इज ए का 2, बी का 1, सी का 4 एंड डी का 3, दैट इज ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 आते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू द इंडेक्स ऑफ आईआईपी डेटा फ्रॉम द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोग्राम इंप्लीमेंटेशन विच इंडाइसेस एक्सपीरियंस सिग्निफिकेंट ग्रोथ इन द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2023? द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, दैट इज कैपिटल गुड्स एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंस्ट्रक्शन गुड्स। यह इसका सही उत्तर है। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 15। हीट ट्रांसफर दैट does not require a medium is called what? So it is known as radiation, A is the correct answer। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 पे आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 पे आते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ रॉक इज फॉर्म फ्रॉम कूलिंग एंड आपको सॉलिडिफिकेशन ऑफ लावा, तो इसका सही हो जाएगा इग्नियस, दैट इज ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 पे आते हैं, आफ्टर इलेक्शंस टू द 18th लोकसभा who was appointed as the Union Minister of Textiles in the Modi government? Correct answer is A is the correct answer of question number 17. We move forward to question number 18. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 है, which of the following human races inhabitates in China, Mongolia and Japan? Correct answer is Mongoloid. Moving forward to question number 19. चाचनामा was translated to Persian by whom? तो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा C, that is मोहम्मद अली बिन अबुल बकर कूफी। Question number 20, we move forward. Which of the following represent the suitable condition for the liquefaction of gases? Question number 20 का A is the correct answer, that is low temperature and high pressure is the correct answer of question number 20. We move forward to question number 21. Name the constituency from where the new CM of Odisha, Mohan Charan Majhi, was elected in the recent state assembly elections. The correct answer is Kyonjhar. B is the correct answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 पे आते हैं, टू हाईलाइट द हार्डशिप्स फेस्ड बाय द पीसेंट्स सहजानंद सरस्वती पब्लिश्ड व्हिच न्यूज़पेपर? नाउ दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज अंडर डिबेट एंड answers to this question is not easy to secure, therefore we keep this question to be referred in the upcoming video. For the time being, no answer to question number 22. Question number 23 पे आते हैं, how many times do the hands of a clock coincide in a day? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा D, that is 22. Question number 24, we move forward and the question is, which of the following is an iron ore? और क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 का सही उत्तर इज पायराइट, डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द फराजी मूवमेंट? और इसका उत्तर हो जाएगा 25 का ए, दैट इज हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, वेयर वाज द टॉप लीडर ऑफ हमास इस्माइल हनिया assassinated on 31st July 2024 allegedly in an Israeli air strike? So he was assassinated in Iran, that is the capital of Iran at Tehran. So C is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 27, according to a CRISIL rating report, how much is the corporate bond market expected to grow by financial year 2030 in India? The correct answer is A, that is rupees 100 से 120 lakh crore. So 27 का A is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 28, following are the mountain ranges of India. You have to choose the sequence from east to west. तो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा D, that is 1 2 3 4. Moving forward to the next question, that is question number 29 पे आते हैं, you have to match list 1 with list 2 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 का सही उत्तर हो जाएगा C, that is please understand कि जमुई जो है गोल्ड है, जैसे ही आप C को 2 करेंगे you get the answer very easily. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 पर आते हैं, after remaining neutral for almost 200 years, which one of the following countries officially joined the NATO in March 2024? Correct answer is Sweden. A is the correct answer. Question number 31, which component of fertilizer is used for stimulating early growth purpose? The correct answer is phosphorus. D is the correct answer of question number 31. We move forward to question number 32. Malik Kafur, also known as Hajar Binari, was bought by whom? The answer is Alauddin Khilji, that is option number A is correct. Question number 33 पर आते हैं, in which of the following years the Bihar State Hydroelectric Power Corporation was established? Question 33 का B, that is 1982 is correct. Question 34 पर आते हैं, who wrote new lamps for the old? The correct answer is Aurobindo Ghosh. B is the correct answer of question number 34. We move forward to the next questions. Question number 35 पर आते हैं, what was the theme of International Olympic Day 2024, which is celebrated every year on 23rd June? Correct answer is let's move and celebrate. Answer D, that is option D is correct. Question 36 पर आते हैं, who was the president of Indian National Congress at the Patna session held in 1912? Correct answer is R.N. Madhulkar. D is correct. Question 37 पर आते हैं, what is the 14th term of sequence? यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. Question number 37, the correct answer is 38, that is minus 38 is there. 37 का D is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 38, what were the shares of agriculture, industries and services sector in overall GVA at the current prices in financial year 2024 according to the Economic Survey 2023-24? The correct answer is A, that is 17.7%, 27.6% and 54.7% respectively for agriculture, industry and the services sector. Question 39 पे आते हैं, in which city of Bihar the recently inaugurated National Dolphin Research Center is located? द करेक्ट आंसर इज पटना, दैट इज बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन 40 पे आते हैं, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स ऑफ अ सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंगाइजर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, दैट इज डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड सोडियम कार्बोनेट। बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 40। हम लोग आगे चलते हैं और क्वेश्चन नंबर 41 पर आते हैं, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बैक्टीरियल डिसीज दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्लिनिक फीवर? तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा एंथ्रेक्स, दैट इज बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन 42 पर आते हैं, वेयर वाज द जापान इंडिया बायलैटरल मैरीटाइम एक्सरसाइज दैट इज जाइमेक्स 24 हेल्ड दिस ईयर? करेक्ट आंसर इज योकोसुका, जापान। ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन 43 पर आते हैं, रामकृष्ण मिशन वाज फाउंडेड बाय स्वामी विवेकानंद इन 1897? 43 का सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Moving forward to question number 44, in a certain code, there is language computer is returned in certain way. How will medicine be returned in that code language? So therefore, question number 44 का सही उत्तर will be C. Moving forward to question number 45, which of the following radiation is used to get relief from body itches? Here the answer is A, that is infrared radiation. Question 46 पर आते हैं, which of the following was the capital of Chera dynasty? The correct answer is A, that is आपको करूर होगा या कुरावूर होगा, दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन 47 पर हम लोग आते हैं, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज द बुक क्रिटिकल ऑफ द ब्रिटिश पॉलिसीज गरीब हिंदुस्तान वाज बैंड इन बिहार इन 1930 बाय द ब्रिटिश एंड इट वाज रिटर्न बाय whom? Now this question answer is not easy to secure, so therefore the answer to this question will be given in the next upcoming video. For the time being, we do not have answer to this question, the valid answer we are talking about. Question 48 पर आते हैं, what is the contribution of agriculture in the GDP of Bihar? The correct answer is 26%. Question 49 पे आते हैं, by how much did the female labor force participation rate increase from 2017-18 to 2022-23 according to NSSO? The correct answer is from 23.3% to 37% between the period 2017-18 to 2022-23. So therefore B is the correct answer of question number 49. Question 50 पे आते हैं, which country took over the chairmanship of BRICS on January 1, 2024? Correct answer is Russia. B is the correct answer. Question 51 पर आते हैं, which one of the following is an example of melamine used for making floor tiles? The correct answer is D, that is thermosetting plastic. Question 52 पर आते हैं, how many triangles are there in the following figure PQRS? This question will be dealt in the upcoming video. For the time being, no answer to this question. हम लोग आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 पर, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 पर, which of the following is a cause of rural to urban migration in India? This is a conceptual question, NCERT based question. इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा D, that is all of the above. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 पर आते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू द RBI, व्हाट इज द फोरकास्ट फॉर हेडलाइन इन्फ्लेशन इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2025? 5.5% इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन 55, द 100 years of International Congress in Bihar was edited by? Now this also is a question, not easy answer for this question, so therefore इस आंसर इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी अपकमिंग वीडियो में दिया जाएगा। फॉर द टाइम बिंग, नो आंसर टू दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन 56 पर आते हैं, in which organisms does spore formation occur as a mode of reproduction? Correct answer is fungi. A is the correct answer. Question 57 पर आते हैं, when did Britishers shifted the capital to Delhi? Correct answer is 1911. C is the correct answer. Please understand, several times in the past BPSC has asked this question, so this question is repeated. Question 57 का C is the correct answer. Question 58 पे आते हैं, Jorila tunnel will connect which of the following places? Correct answer is Srinagar and Leh. C is the correct answer of question number 58. We move forward to the next question, that is question number 59. Who is the author of the autobiography I Have the Streets? Kutti cricket story. What will be the correct answer? So here it will be R. Ashwin and S. Monga. D is the correct answer of question number 59. Question 60. Where was the 13th ministerial conference of WTO held in Feb 2024? Correct answer is Abu Dhabi. B is the correct answer. Question 61 पर आते हैं, which one of the following rivers is different from the others? तो यहाँ पे नर्मदा, you understand, it's a west flowing river, therefore it is different from the rest three. B is the correct answer. Question 62 पर we come, here you have a certain hypothetical situation as far as the mental ability is concerned, and you have to find the value for इसके बारे में we will talk in the upcoming video. For the time being, no answer to this particular question. Question 63 पर आते हैं, which of the following is the first artificially prepared element? तो here TC will be there, सो बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 पर आते हैं, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CGTMSE? तो इसका करेक्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा डी, दैट इज आपको क्रेडिट गारंटी फंड ट्रस्ट फॉर माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल इंटरप्राइजेस। सो देयरफॉर 64 का डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। मूविंग फॉरवर्ड to the next question, we are moving to question number 65, and here the question is, who gave the slogan do or die and when? So this was, you understand, that is C is the correct answer. Gandhi ji during the Quit India movement, he gave this slogan. Question 66 पर आते हैं, which of the following is the fluid part of the blood? So here plasma, that is B is correct answer. Question 67, you have to consider the following Ajivika sect, and here you have 4 statements are there and you have to choose which are correct. So here A and D are correct, C is correct answer. Here B is incorrect and C is incorrect. A and D are correct, therefore C is the correct answer. Question number 68 पर आते हैं, which of the following minerals occurs in the Minas Gerais province of Brazil? Answer is bauxite. So that is the answer of question number 68. A is correct answer. Question 69, the first Hindi daily newspaper to be published in Bihar was? तो it was Sarv Hitaisi, C is correct answer. Question 70 पर आते हैं, which of the following has highly elongated elliptical orbit? तो comet, that is B is correct answer of question number 70. Moving forward to the next question, we are moving to question number 71. In Feb 1, 1996 is Wednesday. What day is March 3, 1996? Correct answer is B, that is Sunday. Moving forward to question number 72. Name the place where Donald Trump was speaking at an election rally when he and an alleged shooter Thomas Matthew Crooks shot and injured him. तो इसका A is the correct answer, 72 का A. 73 पर आते हैं, what is the position of India in manufacturing of mobile phones in 2023? तो it is second is there. Question 74 पर आते हैं, which of the following cities is located along the side of river Seine? तो it is Paris, that is A is the correct answer of question number 74. We move forward to question number 75. According to the RBI, which one of the eligibility criteria for a small finance bank to transition into a universal bank? Correct answer is minimum net worth of rupees 1000 crore. B is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 76, you have to match list 1 with list 2, and here the correct answer is D. D is the correct answer of question number 76. We move forward to the next question. We are into question number 77. So question number 77 is, when did Muslim League observe Direct Action Day? Correct answer is August the 16th, 1946. C is the correct answer. Question 78, in June 2024, which city was named India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is Kozhikode. B is the correct answer. Question 79, what is the structural and functional unit of life? Correct answer is cell. A is correct answer. Moving to the next question, question number 80 जो है इसका आंसर बाद में दिया जाएगा, जो अपकमिंग वीडियोस होगा उसमें दिया जाएगा. Moving forward to question number 81, which one is not included in the budget priorities in pursuit of Viksit Bharat in Union Budget 2024-25? So here C is the correct answer, that is आपको sustainable development is not part of the Union Budget priorities in pursuit of Viksit Bharat. Question 82, which one of the following drainage system drains the lands of Bihar? तो here जो है आपको which of the following drainage system drains the land of Bihar? So here you don't have Narmada, you don't have Yamuna, you don't have Mahanadi, you have Ghagra. That is 82 ka A is the correct answer. Moving forward to the next question, we are into question number 83. You have to consider the types of land according to the Amarkos. Question number 83. और इसमें आप देखिए कि इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा more than one of the above. So D is the correct answer of 83 का D. Question number 84 पे आते हैं हम लोग. Under which article, under article 243 sub clause J, which of the following can make provisions to the maintenance of accounts by panchayats? Here B will be correct answer, that is state legislature. Moving forward to question number 85, which of the following is a non-contact force? So here magnetic force, that is A is the correct answer of question number 85. We move forward to question number 86. Motorcycle is related to battery in the same way as life is related to what? To sun, that is D is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 87, consider the following about the king of Parvar Sen. और इसमें 4 स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं, तो बताना है इसमें से कौन सा स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. तो हियर यू हैव A and C both, that is B is the correct answer of question number 87. We move forward to question number 88. हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 पे आते हैं. You have match the following and choose the correct answer. You have newspaper and editor. If you match, you find that B is the correct answer to this question number 88. Question 89 पे आते हैं. In which of the following freestyle weight categories Aman Sehrawat became the first Indian male wrestler to qualify for 2024 Paris Olympics at the World Wrestling Olympic Qualifiers Turkey in May 2024? It is 57 kg category. D is the correct answer of question number 89. We move forward to question number 90. Which of the following districts of Bihar has the highest percentage of scheduled tribe population in 2011 census? Correct answer is Katihar. A is the correct answer. Question 91. Which sector received the highest allocation in the Bihar budget 2024-25? Education is the correct answer. Question 92 पर आते हैं. Choose the group of letters which is different from the others. Here you have P, S, V, X. B is the correct answer of question number 92. We move forward to question number 93. Which of the following corundum and cryolite are important ores? So question number 93 पे हम लोग आए तो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा अल्मोनियम. दैट इज ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 93. 94. व्हाट इज द एलिजिबिलिटी एज after the changes made in March 2024 for senior citizens to vote by postal ballot? A 85 years is the correct answer. Question 95 पर आते हैं. In which of the following states of India has major reserves of coal? Here you have all of the above, that is Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, all. Therefore D is the correct answer of 95 का D. Question 96 आप देखें. Which two words have been incorporated in the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act? तो here secular and socialist. You must have noticed up till now कि अब तक जितने क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं इसमें से मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आपको टेस्ट सीरीज में दिए गए थे टीम आईएएस के द्वारा. आप देखिए कि फुल लेंथ टेस्ट और जो सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट हुआ था उसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं. साथ में मिशन पता है के तहत जो टेस्ट चल रहा था हर दिन उससे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं और हमारे क्लास नोट्स और क्लास टीचिंग से लगभग सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिसके बारे में हम लोग आने वाले दिनों में शॉर्टली बात करेंगे. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 97. In which Lok Sabha seat one of the India's particularly vulnerable tribal groups, Sompen tribe, for the first time exercised their democratic right to vote in April 2024? Here Andaman and Nicobar. D is the correct answer. Moving forward to question number 98. What was the per capita net state domestic product at the current prices for Bihar for the fiscal year 2022-23 based on the base year 2011-12? Here we haven't got the correct answer because this question seems to be disputable. There is no correct answer available so far. We will try to find the answer in the upcoming video. For the time being, no answer to question number 98. हम लोग आगे चलते हैं और क्वेश्चन नंबर 99 पर आते हैं. Which of the following centers in Bihar is proposed to develop under Vishnupad Yojana for promotion of tourism in Union Budget 2024? Here the correct answer is Gaya. D is the correct answer. Question 100 पे आते हैं. You have to match the political organizations and founder. If you match it, you find that B is the correct answer to this particular question. 100 का B is there. Question 101. Before his appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court of India in July 2024, Justice N. Koteswar Singh was the Chief Justice of which High Court? The correct answer is A. That is, he was the Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. A is the correct answer. Question 102 पर आते हैं. The Sikh का जो टूरिस्ट साइट है, होली साइट है, दैट इज आपको तख्त श्री हरमंदिर जी पटना साहिब, विच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द सेकंड होलीएस्ट तख्त, इज लोकेटेड वेयर? तो दैट इज इन ना, दैट इज 102 का सी इज देयर. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. वी आर मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 103 and here the question reads, Bidula festival is celebrated especially in which of the following districts in Bihar? Usually in the month of August each year. Correct answer is Bhagalpur. So therefore 103 का A is the correct answer. Question 104 पर आते हैं. Which of the following is the resistance of the wire? Correct answer is C. Now interesting thing is कि साइंस, जनरल साइंस के जो भी सवाल आप देख रहे हैं ये सारे सवाल हमारे क्लास में पढ़ाए गए हैं और सभी के नोट्स स्टूडेंट्स के पास अवेलेबल हैं, जिसके बारे में वी विल बी टॉकिंग इन द अपकमिंग वीडियोस एज वेल एज थ्रू आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 105 पर आते हैं. विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रेस्ट्रिक्ट अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टू होल्ड द ऑफिस ऑफ प्रॉफिट? हियर आंसर इज डी, दैट इज आर्टिकल 102 सब क्लाउज 1 सब क्लाउज ए. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 106. Which of the following great ruler founded Haryak Vansh in ancient Bihar? So that is Brihadrath. That is B is correct answer. Question number 107 पर आते हैं. Which one of the following is about Ruchira Kamboj, who was the first woman to become the Indian ambassador to the UN, who retired recently? Is true. We haven't got the answer to this particular question. Answer to this question in the upcoming video will be given. Question 108 पर आते हैं. Which of the following are exothermic processes? If you read all the four options, you find that B is correct, that is 2 and 3 are correct, 1 and 4 are incorrect. We move forward to the next question, that is question number 109. What is the object of cut motion in parliament. Correct answer is to move a proposal to reduce expenditure in the budget proposals. A is the correct answer. Question 110 पर आते हैं. Who presented the Bihar budget 2024-25 in the State Assembly? The correct answer is Sri Samrat Chaudhary ji. D is correct answer. Question 111. When did the new province Bihar came into force during British rule? Correct answer is March 1912. C is the correct answer. We move forward to question 112. Who headed the Royal Commission on Indian Currency appointed in 1913? Correct answer is Sir Austin Cumberland. Question 113 we come. Which of the following is the value of solar constant? So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा B, that is 1.4 kilowatt by meter second. 114 पे आते हैं. Which of the following was not one of the features of the Government of India Act 1935? Here the correct answer is C, that is appraisal of the Act of 1935. That was not the feature of the Government of India Act 1935. We move to question number 115. What is the position of representation of Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha? You know that through the 104th Amendment Act, now their nomination has been done away with. Therefore, A is the correct answer of 115. 116 पर आते हैं. Which community was categorized as scheduled caste by a 2015 Bihar government notification, which was quashed in July 2024 by the Supreme Court, ruling that states cannot make changes to the scheduled caste list published under Article 341 of the Constitution. The correct answer is B, that is आपको तांती तातवा जो है इसके बारे में चर्चा है B. Question 117. Who won the men's single title at the French Open Tennis Tournament 2024? Carlos Alcaraz, that is D is the correct answer. Question 118. Who among the following achieved the distinction of being the first Indian mountaineer to scale Mount Everest and Mount Lhotse twice in one season? Correct answer is Satyadeep Gupta. A is the correct answer to question number 118. 119. What is the sex ratio of Bihar as per the census 2011 in India? The correct answer is A, that is 918. So we move forward to question number 120. Which of the following the chlorophyll in photosynthesis is used for? Here absorbing light is the correct answer to this question 120. We move forward to question number 121. The political strategy struggle truce struggle came into prominence with a call for. Please understand that struggle truce struggle was the strategy of Mahatma Gandhi, and therefore this was also part of the mass movement. Mass movement cannot continue for indefinite period, therefore it needs to be withdrawn after a certain period of time. So that is what STS talks about. Quit India should be the correct answer of our question number 121. Although this is a disputable question, we would like to reconsider the answer to this question in the upcoming video. Question 122. During the Quit India movement, a parallel national government was established at many places. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Well, D is correct. D is correct. We have doubt in A and C. So we keep this question for the upcoming video. Answer to this question will be given in the upcoming video. Question number 123, we move. Which of the following is equivalent to Tesla? Here it will be Newton per ampere meter. D is the correct answer. Question 124, which dynasty ruled Magad after Sisunak dynasty? Correct answer is Nandvans, that is C is correct. Question 125, among the following, who has been Speaker of Lok Sabha prior to his election as President of India? सही आंसर है नीलम संजीव रेड्डी. C is the correct answer to question number 125. We move forward to question number 126. When did Bihar state introduce green budget for the first time? And the correct answer to this question is A, that is financial year 2020-21. Question 127. Manvi Madhu Kashyap recently became a Bihar's first transgender what? So it will be Sub-Inspector of Police. D is the correct answer. Question 128. Which of the following is a Jayat crop? Here fodder will be there. B is the correct answer to question 128. Question 129. Shresi Singh, member of Bihar Assembly who has represented India in shooting in Paris Olympics 2024, was elected from which constituency in Bihar? करेक्ट आंसर इज जमुई. एक चीज आप लोग देख रहे होंगे, करंट अफेयर्स के जो भी क्विज हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आए हैं या मिशन फतेह सीरीज के तहत जो हमारा यूट्यूब वीडियोस आया है या टेस्ट सीरीज चला है, करंट अफेयर्स के सारे क्वेश्चंस वहां आपको मिल जाएंगे. आप लोगों में से जिन लोगों ने भी करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियोस देखे होंगे और टेस्ट लगाए होंगे, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आप इजीली सॉल्व कर रहे होंगे एक्चुअल एग्जाम में आज. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 130. व्हाट वाज द चीफ इकोनॉमिक फाउंडेशन ऑफ द ट्रायंगुलर कॉमर्स बिटवीन इंडिया, चाइना एंड इंग्लैंड? हियर इट विल बी मोर देन वन ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन 131. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज फुल फॉर्म ऑफ पीसीआरए? The correct answer is Petroleum Conservation Research Association. C is the correct answer to question number 131. We move forward to question number 132. In October 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose set up a provisional government of Free India which was recognized by how many countries, including Japan? Correct answer is 5. That is B is the correct answer. Question 133. What is the title of the film by Payal Kapadia for which she became the first Indian filmmaker to win the Grand Prix Award at the Cannes Film Festival in May 2024? Correct answer is All We Imagine as Light. A is correct answer. 134. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from the liver? Question 134 का C is the correct answer. Question 135 पर आते हैं. Indian national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on which date? Correct answer is 22 जुलाई 1947. इंडियन पॉलिटी से सारे क्वेश्चंस जो हैं क्लास नोट से हैं, प्लस जो टेस्ट सीरीज से सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हुए हैं. इसके बारे में हम लोग आने वाले वीडियो में और टेलीग्राम चैनल के माध्यम से हम लोग बात करेंगे. वी विल शो यू दैट हाउ आवर नोट्स, क्लास नोट्स आर सो एक्यूरेट कि लगभग सारे क्वेश्चंस क्लास नोट से हैं. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 136. Size of Council of Ministers has been restricted to 15% of membership of Lok Sabha by which constitutional amendment? The correct answer is 91st Amendment Act. Question 137. Who is the winner of the prestigious Goldman Environmental Prize 2024 from the region of Asia? Correct answer is Alok Shukla is India. 137 ka B is the correct answer. We move forward to question number 138. Under the Royal Titles Act, Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in which year? Here it should be 1877, although 1876 is also under consideration. 1875 no, 1874 no. We take it as 1877, although we reserve the answer to this question for the next video. So this question is under scanner. For the time being, we take it as 1877, although it's most accurate answer in the upcoming video. Question 139. Which of the following pairs will give displacement reactions? Correct answer is AgNO3 solution and copper metal. A is correct answer. Question 140. The Andes extends along which of the following? Here it should be the west coast of South America. D is the correct answer. By which time governor has to return an ordinary bill to the concerned state legislature for reconsideration? Here no time limit is there. C is the correct answer to question 141. We move forward to question 142. What is the current profession of young UP woman Aarti, who was conferred Amal Clooney Women's Empowerment Award by the King Charles III in May 2024? She is an e-rickshaw driver. D is the correct answer. Question 143. The process of breaking down organic matter by microorganisms is called, that is decomposition. C is correct answer. Question 144. Who among the following Indian capitalists was not architect of Bombay Plan? Dhirubhai Ambani. A is the correct answer. We move forward now to 145. Which country became the first to bring soil from the dark side of the moon in June 2024? Correct answer is China. B is correct. Question 146. What is the name of the 1 month long cattle fair organized at the confluence of Ganga and Gandak rivers? It is Sonpur Mela, Bihar. 147. Who decides regarding the disqualification of members of a state assembly for matters other than those in the 10th schedule of the constitution? Correct answer is governor. 147 ka A is the correct answer. Question number 48. Which of the following is a major cause of air pollution? It would be burning of fossil fuels. B is correct. Question 149. Munger hilly region is a part of which of the following physiographic region? It should be southern hilly region of Bihar. And the last question of 70th BPSC prelims exam. Question 150. Who was the first one to propose a model for the structure of an atom? It should be J.J. Thomson. D is the correct answer. Please understand, a rider is attached to the answers being given in this video. That is all precautions have been taken कि आंसर्स जो आपको दिए गए हैं वो एक्यूरेट हो. वी हैव ट्राइड एज फार एज पॉसिबल कि आपको एक्यूरेट आंसर दिए जाएं. So therefore, the level of accuracy of the answers being provided in this video is close to 99%. Some of the answers or the questions which are under scanner, जिनके आंसर्स हमको नहीं मिले हैं या जो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि डाउटफुल हैं, वह आपको 1 से 2 दिन के अंदर जो है हम लोग वी विल प्रोवाइड 100% एक्यूरेट आंसर. फॉर द टाइम बिंग दिस वीडियो टॉक्स अबाउट 99% एक्यूरेसी एज फार एज आंसर्स आर कंसर्न्ड. एक चीज बहुत अच्छी बात है कि टीम आईएएस के जो कंटेंट होते हैं, क्लासरूम टीचिंग होती है और बहुत सारे टेस्ट सीरीज के मटेरियल जो कि सभी के लिए फ्रीली अवेलेबल था. आप लोगों ने, जिन लोगों ने भी टेस्ट को लगाया होगा, आप लोगों को एक्सट्रीम बेनिफिट मिला होगा आज एग्जाम हॉल में. इस चीज को आप लोग रियलाइज कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर आपको हमारे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं तो कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. वी शैल मीट शॉर्टली विद अ फ्रेश वीडियो ऑन 70th बीपीएससी प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम. अंटिल देन, गुड बाय.